Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechGimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails with different attachments. So let's start. Open Gmail account in any browser. Click on Drafts tab. Now compose new email. You don't need to add email addresses here. Just add your subject like this. In message box, write first name and last name in brackets. Gmail will automatically fetch first underscore name and last underscore name column data if you write in brackets like this. Now click on these dots, scroll down and select Sheets. Click on blank button to create new sheet. Now write headings first underscore name, last underscore name, email, attachment and merge status. Gmail will pick data from first underscore name, last underscore name, email and attachment column automatically. Enter data below these columns. I am going to enter two people's data. Now go to extensions option and click on get add-ons option. Here search mail merge and click on Mergo mail merge extension. Install this extension. Click continue and give access to the extension so that it can send bulk emails. Now close this pop-up and refresh the Google Sheet. So finally Mergo Mail Merge extension is installed successfully. Click on it and select Mail Merge. You can see the draft mail subject is automatically fetched here. Email column from sheet is also automatically taken by it. Change the sender name if you want. Enable track email option here. It will track the sent emails. To attach PDF, click on three dots and select add personalized attachments. Click select option to select folder for attachment. So we don't have any folder. Let's create folder and upload file into it. Again, click on these three dots and select drive option. Click on New button and select Folder option. It will create folder. Rename the folder. So finally folder has been created. Open folder and click New button. Select File Upload. Now select the PDF that you want to send. The PDF has been uploaded successfully. Now copy the name of file and paste it into under attachment column. Make sure you copy exact name. If it is not exact name, then it will not attach file. Again, select the folder and attachment column name. Click Send Emails button. It will send emails to given email addresses from sheet. Let's check the email in inbox. You can see the email has been received. The first name and last name automatically fetched from the sheet and the PDF that we attached is also received. I hope this video will help you to send bulk emails with attachment. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, click subscribe button for latest updates.